I'm going to take you through a guided meditation, and I just want you to completely relax. Hi, I'm Koya Webb, holistic health coach and author of Let Your Fears Make You Fierce. And I'm so excited to take you through masking and meditation today. I got my shea butter nourishing mask from IPSY, and I'm so excited to just show you how you can take your masking experience to the next level. So meditation is really great because we're going through a lot right now. I mean, there's a lot of stress, even if it's good stress, like having a baby or buying a house or something like that, it's still stress. And we have to balance that stress out with relaxation and self-care. When you do meditation, it actually triggers your parasympathetic, and that's part of your nervous system that calms you down. I meditate every single day, but at least once a week on Self-Care Saturday or Self-Care Sunday, go ahead and tune in to this mask and meditation session so that you can get some relaxation and de-stress a little bit. So as you can see, all I'm doing is taking my mask out and putting it on. And I just like to smooth it out around the edges so that it's nice and comfy. It feels so good and it smells so good. And so you want to really lay down the edges and make sure you take the underneath and smooth it on your skin. Now this is a little extra tip that I do. After I finish smoothing my mask, I actually put it on my hands. And I also take a little bit down my neck, a little bit of that moisturizing shea butter, so nourishing. So my hands and neck, that's where you can get some extra love. Okay, now I want you to go ahead and lie down. I'm going to take you through a guided meditation, and I just want you to completely relax. Now, if you want to sit up like me in a comfortable position or in lotus pose, you can. Just get nice and comfortable. Take a deep inhale and exhale, sigh it out. Gently close your eyes. And the meditation that we're going to do is called your happy place meditation. First, we're going to start with a little bit of breath work, and then we're going to get into your happy place meditation. Take a deep inhale and exhale, sigh it out. Deep inhale into your heart space. And exhale, sigh it out. Inhale, fill up as much as you can. And exhale, sigh it out. Just feel that relaxation flow through every cell of your body. Feel your body relax. Feel your mind start to relax. If some thoughts start to come up, just allow them to float by like a cloud in the sky. Don't resist them, just allow them to be and to slowly float out of your mind as you focus on your breath. This time we're going to inhale and hold the breath. Hold it. And slowly exhale. So that hold should help you relax a little bit deeper. We're going to do that again. Inhale as fully as you can and hold it. Sip in a little bit more air and hold it. And slowly exhale as you sigh it out. Wonderful. And now just allow your body to completely relax and melt into the ground. I'm going to do a gentle body scan. Scan your head and allow your head to melt into the ground. Allow your shoulders and your neck to melt into the ground, to melt all the way down. Relax completely Allow your abdomen to relax. Allow your hips to relax. Allow your thighs and your legs to relax. Allow your feet to relax. Your entire body melting into the ground. No worries, just relaxing. And now I want you to start to visualize your happy place. If you could go anywhere in the world just to get away, just to have some time for yourself, where would you go? Maybe to the beach, a secluded island, maybe to the park, or a waterfall, or maybe even the mountains. In this moment, I want you to transport yourself there. Take a deep inhale and exhale. Relax deeper as you travel to your happy place. Begin to play, twirling around. What do you see? Allow your body to relax even more as you allow yourself to feel. What do you feel? How is the weather? Can you feel the wind on your skin, gently caressing you, holding you? Completely let go and allow yourself to feel. What do you see? Are you there alone, or do you invite someone to join you in your happy place? Take a deep inhale and exhale, sigh it out. As you relax deeper, what do you smell? Allow your senses to turn on as you fully embody this experience of bliss, this mental vacation. Take another deep inhale and exhale, sigh it out. Allow yourself to feel joy in every cell of your body. Joy to be alive. Joy for your life. Allow a wave of gratitude to flow through every cell of your body, from your head all the way to your toes. Feel that sense of gratitude. Now slowly wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes, bring your awareness back to your body. Take a deep inhale and exhale. And slowly join me sitting up. Wasn't that amazing? And now you can start to gently remove your mask. If you want to keep your mask on a little bit longer, you can. If you want to stay in your meditation a little bit longer, you can. Go ahead and peel your mask off. And you can again take the extra, I love to rub the extra on my hands. And just feel your face. Feel how soft and smooth and nourishing your face is. giving your face a gentle massage. Giving your face a little gentle massage after the masking helps stimulate your blood flow and circulation, which really helps you have that nice glowy skin. And again, you can bring some more of that nourishment to your neck and your hands. All right, you're all done. I'm so excited and just consider it an honor to be able to guide you through this mask and meditation. You can do this as many times. Come back to this video anytime. You just need a little bit of time for yourself. If things get stressful, if things get a little bit overwhelming, just come back to this meditation and masking session and just do something to take care of yourself. I just want to thank IPSY for having me. It's been such an honor to be able to go through this masking and meditation session with you. So return to this video anytime you need to take a little bit of time for yourself. Until next time, take care of you. Bye.